Welcome students once again. In today's video we will see headings in HTML. Headings in HTML. There are 6 levels of headings in HTML which are numbered from 1 to 6, with H1 as the largest heading and H6 as the smallest heading. Heading tag has one attribute, that is align attribute. We often give heading at the top of any page when we are writing something. Similarly, on the top of every web page, if you want to give heading or subheading, if you want to give a very big heading, that is the largest heading, that can be given by H1 tag, and we can reduce the size of the heading by using H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, with H6 being the smallest heading. Attribute is align, means where do you want the heading to be, left side, right side, or in center. So the way or the format of writing will be like, for example, I am using H1, so I will write H1 align equals to value. Your value will be either left, right, or center, and whatever text you want to give as heading, and close H1 or whichever heading tag you have used. Here you need to note something. The default alignment is left for the heading tag. There is an example given, H1 level 1 heading and slash H1. Then it is given H2 align equals to center, level 2 heading and slash H2. Here is an assignment based on heading tag. You will practice this assignment in Notepad, or you will just at least go through the video. First tag HTML, then head, title I have given as levels of heading, slash title, slash head, then body BG color equals to yellow, text equals to red. H1 Bhavan's BP Vidya Mandir, then slash H1. This will give the largest heading. Then H2 Bhavan's BP Vidya Mandir, H2 slash, that is closing tag of H2, and so on till H6 I have given to show you all the 6 levels of heading. Lastly, we close body tag and then HTML tag. Then you need to save it. Go to File, Save As, select the drive, select the folder you want to save, and as I told you earlier also, please click on all files. Otherwise it will make a text file. Click on all files. Then give an appropriate name to the file. For example, I have given here webpage3.html. Please don't let it be as .txt. It will make text file. Make it webpage3 without any space .html, and finally click on save. So your file will be saved. Next, you can see the output by right clicking on the selected file open with any browser. So output will be like this, as you see on the screen. Largest heading you can see, and H6 heading shows the smallest level of heading. Since I've used BG color yellow, so for background color of the web page is yellow and text color is red. That's all for today. There are some questions here. How many levels of headings are there in HTML? Which tag will give the largest heading? What are the values of align attribute of HTML? Write these answers in your notebook, and if possible, try to do this assignment practically. Thank you children. Thank you all of you.